In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and send statements in QuickBooks Online. We'll walk through the process from start to finish so you can send clear, professional statements to your customers with confidence. A statement is basically a summary of what a customer owes you over a certain period of time. It's really handy for following up on overdue invoices or giving customers a clear overview of their account activity. First, sign in to your QuickBooks Online account and head to the main left-hand menu. Look for the Sales section and then click on Customers. This is where all of your customer records are stored. Take a moment to find the customer you want to create a statement for. You can scroll through the list or use the search bar at the top if you have a lot of customers. Once you see the right one, click on their name to open their customer profile. Inside the customer's profile, you'll see their contact details, open invoices, and recent transactions. Near the top right of this page, click on the New button, and from the list of options that appears, choose Statement. This tells QuickBooks that you want to generate a statement specifically for this customer. Next, you'll set up the details of the statement. Start by choosing the statement type. Depending on your needs, you might use an open item statement, which shows individual open invoices, or a balance forward statement, which summarizes previous activity into one starting balance. Pick the type that best matches how you communicate with this customer. Then, set the start date and end date for the statement. These dates control which transactions will be included, so choose a range that makes sense, like the last month or the current quarter. Before you send anything, check the customer's email address that appears on the statement screen. Make sure it's accurate and up to date so the statement goes to the right place. If you need to adjust it, you can edit it here. When everything looks good, click Save and Send. This will bring up a preview of the email and the attached statement. Take a moment to review the statement preview. Confirm that the amounts, dates, and customer information are correct, and that the message in the email is clear and professional. If you want, you can customize the email text slightly to match your tone. Once you're happy with everything, click Send. And that's it. You've just created and sent a customer statement in QuickBooks Online.